Good morning. So, gonna run 15K today. 15K lang muna. Chill run lang. So, target pace 6:37 or probably 8. Chill run lang. Ayoko magpagod. Ayoko magmadali. Warm up muna ako. Let's time check. It's 1:58. It's too early in the morning. Let's go. Ayoko pumunta ng araw. Baka pumuti ako. Alright. Alright. Warm up done. KM0. Let's go. Road run. Let's go. Sobrang sakit na Achilles ko. Maintain akong 6:30 pace. Below 5:30, below 6:30. Sakit. So, ibilis na ako na speed kasi hindi matapos. Alright, 3K. Di ba nasabi ko, sakit yung Achilles ko. Pero, bumibilis ako. Nagpipigil ako. Kaya, mas masakit. Pero, little by little, can make it. Dahan-dahan lang. No rush. Take your time. Natapos din itong 16K. Alright, let's go. 16K done. Sakit ng Achilles ko. Yung injury.